Okay, Jason, I think I would do this in Google Sheets instead of Excel. So I took all your things. I tried to use Microsoft Excel, but um, I don't think I have the most current version, so it seems to be missing some commands. But I essentially just used like the split command, and I split this up. And then what I would do is, so I would do all my work on this tab, and then I would just go to the next tab and um, like extract the stuff I need. It may even be possible to kind of put spaces in here to get everything in the right spot. But I think I could probably find or just extract like RL.1.3 and RL.1.7. I could probably extract that in Google Sheets, but maybe try Google Sheets because I was able to split all that stuff up pretty quickly. So anyway, that's that, man. Sorry I couldn't be much help.